Your LinkedIn About section can turn profile viewers into clients, but you gotta use it right. Most people make their About section all about them, career highlights, accomplishments, whatnot. I'm going to show you now why that's a mistake. So as we take a look at Chris's profile, we can scroll down here, we can see his featured section, his activity, and boom. Buried in between his activity and his experience is his tiny little About section. So as you can see, your About section is not as prominent as it once was in your LinkedIn profile, which means that anybody that's viewing your About section is probably very interested in what it is that you do. So you should use your About section to sell them. Let me show you my template. So the first thing that you want to do is hook them in with a really strong first line that gets people to click that little button that says see more. Then what you want to do is literally list out the client pain points with those red X's. People's eye goes right to that red X's and see their pains. Then you want to show them the possibilities. List the client outcomes with green check marks next to them. So then they can see their problems highlighted, followed by the solutions highlighted. And now what you need to do is just give them a call to action to buy or to book an appointment with you. This is how you use your About section on LinkedIn. Follow this exact template and you'll convert clients with it. And for more 2-minute videos to help you master LinkedIn, subscribe to my channel.